Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Perspective USA. Extracting metals from oxide at high temperatures is essential not only for producing metals such as steel but also for recycling because current extraction processes are very carbon intensive, emitting large quantities of greenhouse gases. Researchers have been exploring gases. Researchers have been exploring new approaches to developing greener processes. This work has been especially challenging to do in the lab because it requires costly reactors. Building and running computers simulation would be an alternative. But currently, there is no computational method that can accurately predict oxide reactions at high temperatures when no experimental data is available. A Columbia engineering team reports that they have developed a new computation technique that, through combining quantum mechanics and machine learning, can accurately predict the reduction temperature of metal oxide to their base metal. Their approach is computationally and as efficient as conventional calculation at zero temperature and, in their test, more accurate than computationally demanding simulations of temperature effects using quantum chemistry methods. This study, led by Alexander Urban, Assistant Professor of Chemical Engineering, was published on 1st December 2021. Decarbonizing the chemical industries is critical if we are to transition to a more sustainable future. But developing alternatives for established industrial processes is very cost intensive and time consuming. Urban said, a bottom-up computational process design that does not require initially experimental input would be an attractive alternative but has so far not been realized. This new study is, to our knowledge, the first time that a hybrid approach combining computational calculation with A1 has been attempted for this application, and it's the first demonstration that quantum mechanics based calculation can be used for the design of high temperature processors. The researchers knew that at very low temperature, quantum mechanics based calculation can accurately predict the energy that chemical reactions require or release. They augmented this zero temperature theory with a machine learning model that learned the temperature dependence from publicly available high temperature measurement. They designed their approach, which focused on extracting metal at high temperature, it too also predict the change of the free energy with the temperature, whether it was high or low. Free energy is a key quantity of thermodynamics, and other temperature dependent quantities can, in principle, be derived from it, said Luis Garrido Torres, the paper's first author, who was postdoctoral fellow in Urban's lab and is now a research scientist at Princeton. So we expect that our approach will also be useful to predict, for example, melting temperature and solubilities for the design of clean electrolyte metal extraction processes that are powered by renewable electric energy. The future just got a little bit closer, said Nick Birwells, Deputy Dean of the Australian National University College of Engineering and Computer Science and an expert for materials design with a focus on corrosion durability, who was not involved in the study. Much of the human effort and sunken capital over the past century has been in the development of materials that we use every day and that we rely on for our power, flight, and entertainment. Materials development is slow and costly, which makes machine learning a critical development for future material design. In order for machine learning and A1 to fit their potential, models must be mechanically relevant and interpretable. This is precisely what the work of Urban and Garrido Torres demonstrates. Furthermore, the work takes a whole of system approach for one of the first times, linking atomistic simulation on one and engineering applications on the other via advanced algorithm. The team is now working on extending the approach to other temperature dependent material properties such as solubility, conductivity, and melting that are needed to design electrolyte metal extraction processes that are carbon free and powered by clean electric energy. Beyond the report for Active USA.